Hello everyone, welcome back to the cooking simulator tutorial. In this video we will add a trash can to the game. If you'd like to support the channel, you can purchase the assets from the video by link in the description, and you will be able to use them in all your projects. Let's get started. Both the order pickup area and trash can will be used highlighting, and they will share the same structure. To avoid repeating code, we will first create a base class for them. Create a new class inherited from actor and name it BP interaction point. Inside this class, add the BPI interactable interface. Next add the static mesh component and name it mesh. Set its collision preset to interactable to ensure it works properly with our interaction system. Now open the event graph. Here we can cut and paste highlight and remove highlight implementation from order pickup area. Then just replace cube with a mesh to make it compilable. Next open BP order pickup area and reparent it to the new BP interaction point class we just created. After reparenting, delete the old cube mesh and assign the order area mesh to the mesh component. Now open BP kitchenware. Here we will add a new function named destroy food and place it into the dish category. Inside this function, simply call destroy from the food storage component and also call clear food items. Also, to make our naming clear, let's open a seafood storage and rename the destroy event to destroy food for clarity. Now let's implement the trash can. Create a new blueprint class inherited from BP interaction point and name it BP Trashcan. For the mesh, select the trash can model. Next, implement the grab drop event. Inside the event, first check if the player is holding an object. If player has grabbed object, cast it to BP kitchenware and call destroy food. If the object is on kitchenware, simply destroy the grabbed object and nullify it for the character. We have one last step before testing. Open BP cookware and override the clear food items function. After calling the parent function, set cooking score to 0 to reset it when food is removed. Now it's time to test everything. Add the trash can to the scene and check how it works. and it works perfectly. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!